UTP, through the Center for Research in Data Science, has been given the trust to provide innovative data analytics solutions for Petronas on digital operational excellence. CeRDaS expertise in data analytics and AI is transpired in May.
Domain is equipped with the state-of-the-art GPU processing capability and AI models. It has the ability to perform high-end processing of big data, to predict trips and failure of essential equipment for at least 4 days in advance, and provide relevant causality factor.
An in mind of domain is for engineers in Petronas to be able to focus more on the value generative tasks rather than occupied with the tasks that involve things that already happen.
Well, domain helps a lot from our day-to-day operation by using actionable insights from the software itself for us to assess 20 probabilities of where the equipment might fail.